everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And in this video, we're going to do another graphing functions. This one's a little bit different, so I wanted to make sure I got both of them. So my function is f of x. That's the same thing as saying y equals x squared minus 3. So we are going to pick some x values. Remember, these are independent. I don't have any space. And then over here, we'll get my y. And these are my dependent. Y is my dependent. Okay? And then we'll get an ordered pair from that. Y is my dependent. Okay. So I'm going to pick -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. I'm going to plug them in to my y equals x squared minus 3, or f of x, same thing, and get my numbers. So -2 squared minus 3 gives me 1. So my ordered pair then, I'm running out of space, make that a little closer, is -2, 1. And let's plug in -1 squared. Make sure you do those parentheses so you get the number right. -1 squared is 1 minus 3 gives me -2. So I get -1, -2. Plug in 0. I get 0 minus 3, which is -3. 1 squared is 1, minus 3 is -2. Huh, interesting, it repeats. And that's going to happen on functions that have a square in them like this because it's a parabola. So we get 2, 1. So there are my ordered pairs. Feel free to pause and slow that down to see. I took all these numbers, I plugged them in right here, and then I worked it out. This was my x. It gave me a y, so then I put that in my ordered pairs. So now I can graph this, and it kind of covered up the graph a little bit. Okay, let's see. Here is my origin. So that's where we're starting. We start from the origin. So I need to go -2 up 1. And then we're going to go -1, -2. Draw a big dot so you can see it. 0, -3. +1, -2. And then 2, 1, 2, +1. So because this is an x squared, it actually makes something called a parabola. And it almost looks like a V with my dots. But we're going to learn and we're going to start to remember things. X squared, we know it's got a little bit of a curve. So we're going to come down and make it have a curve, not a V. It's got a little bit of a curve to it. X is independent, Y is dependent. That's why we pick the X's. And then we can figure out the Y depending on which X I picked. Then we graph the ordered pairs and connect them. I hope that was helpful. If you have more questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We would love to set up some tutoring sessions for you with our certified math teachers. We also post videos regularly, so make sure you like and subscribe so you can always see the latest and greatest. Have a great day.